version. First, I will do the setup for backend. I have already cloned the backend and front end of our app. Let's start with first of all this one. We go PHP storm. Mm, so first I will do the composer install. Then I will create a file, any file. Now we need to run the MySQL. So I'm using mem. You can use anything. My PHP version is 8.0.8. It requires to at least have 8.0 version to run this project. Now we have set it up. We will create a new database. Okay, so the database here. Now we will specify the database name and whatever your username or password is, apply it here. I only have root. Okay, that's it. Now we will do the PHP artisan serve host 0. No, first I think we need to run PHP artisan migrate and then PHP artisan delete seed. Good. Now we need to run PHP artisan serve test host 0.0. This port host is required so we can run it in our simulator. Okay, that's it. uh, we'll check for the users. The only one is we need to create an admin user. To create admin user we need to specify PHP partition create. No, forgot the code. I'm using alt sheet Laravel admin. Okay, to get this on. We'll use admin, admin, and finally admin. I will give all of these codes what you need to apply, in document, so it would be easier for you to find it. Okay, that's it. Now I need to check for localhost. Now the landing page is working correctly. I'll check the admin section. Okay, no, no, I need this person. Hmm, okay, so I applied the password and now everything is set up. We have also seeded and code for you, so it will be easier for you to. Now we have codes, code request, categories, everything is available now. Whenever someone has select code, it will appear here, and when I disselect, it will appear here. Okay, so that's it. Now the backend is set up. We need to set up the front end. To set up front end, I will use VS Code because love it. In folder, I will use yeah. Okay, so here as for the starting, we will run yarn. Yeah, and then we need to check for development environment and specify a page URL. Uh, what is my host? To check your host, you need to go to here about this system preferences and then network. And here we have the code. So HTTPS is not required. I need to be again. To be sure. Okay, so that's it. We need to specify the port. We are using 8000, and the we need to apply API as well because it is suffix. Now there is also sanitary key which you can find in sanitary, but it will not be running in development mode. We need to apply the Google Android client and ISO Android client, ISO client. You can find it in through Expo Google. Yeah, you can go to this section and read all of this. You will get this section, this detail from here. Just follow these 5 steps. And when you want to like publish it, you need to follow this step for deploying it in Android and in iOS also. So I think it would also have, yeah, here it also have iOS section. So you need to follow this when you are whenever you want to deploy the application. Okay, that's it. I have already done these steps. It is quite easy, so I'm not showing it. I will not show you. Cool. So that's it. In the You also need to add Google service and playlist, which you can find from Firebase by creating an account there. So I already have account. I will just show you what I was using. I was using after using. Yeah, here is server. Okay, so we just need to download it from here and apply it. Cool. So that's it then. From this section, in the base term, you need to also get this Google Client ID and secret, which you can find from. It is same step as Google. As export documentation, you need to go to credential patch and here you need to like create an web application section. There you can get the client ID and a secret ID, secret key from here. Okay, and then edit here. Whatever you specified your redirect URL, you can edit here. Cool. I will be maybe hiding this stuff, uh, but yeah, you can find it. It's very easy thing to find. Okay, cool. That's it then. Everything looks complete. Now we will run the application in our expo, in our simulator. Okay. I am quite having trouble with running simulator sometimes. It's my system issue, I think. So I need to run it manually. Yeah, cool. Let's run now again. No, I do action. Looks like my simulator is having some issue. We can try it in Android device in the studio. Cool. We can run explore again and then try. Okay, it's installing the app. Wait until this install is done and the application is running. I'll show you it then after that. Working now, but it has one little issue. Um, the API is not working correctly. So I had debugged it when uh, I have shut it down the video and I got the issue. I forgot one little thing. So I will stop the server. Now I will run PHP authentication passport install. I forgot to run this code. That's it. And now run the server again. Try it at half. I think it would work now. That's it. Ah, it works. So here we are. Now we will do the login. Let's see if it's working. Yes, we're working fine. Cool. What? Okay. So everything's correctly working correctly now. So that's it. The setup is complete, and it was a little bit tough, I think. So if you do have any questions, you can just message me whenever you want. I'll be available. Uh, Thanks for this video.